There's Jay. He's getting ready to go into the pool. We're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and he is going to do the outdoor slide in the very, very freezing water. He's up.